Creative Stamping Magazine issue 93 has hit our warehouse doorsteps, and we're delighted to share it with you. Now, creative stamping, you know there's going to be some stamps inside, but aha, there's even more. Look at this. All of these stamps, my goodness, they are just gorgeous. Now, this is an A4 size, so you know that these are really a nice size. So there's an owl, an elephant, seahorse, lots of greetings, as well as a wreath out of feathers and a hummingbird, some flowers, really nice. Now, in addition, they have also included 16 double-sided papers. Now, they're kind of this inky look, and there are different colors on each side. You're going to get 2 of each one as I flip them here. So there you go. And very pretty look. And what's nice about these is they're going to go with kind of any season, any reason. So I'm back to the first one, so you're going to get 2 of each. Now let's get into the magazine and see what they have to share. We're going to start here, and they're calling it Watercolour Wonders. And this is using the stamps that are included, but I think they are, in this particular one, doing their own background paper. So there you go. You can see that wreath. Boy, the hummingbird and the flowers are lovely in white. That's a really nice idea. And, okay, right here we have, there's the owl, as well as that wreath, so lots of different looks. In fact, through this, you're going to see lots of different color combinations for these stamps. Now, if you want to do a sun catcher, well, here's some steps for you and a way that you can use what's included to make that. This is using the papers and doing some different things. They trimmed them and did some weaving, but then added that very pretty little spray of flowers. Here you have the elephant on black with white embossing powder. That's striking. So are the papers being done that way. There's the owl, the hummingbird. There's the seahorse, very nice. And let's see, now this is an article about using vellum, and vellum is an absolute favorite of mine. And you don't see it always used very often these days. We do have it here. We also have parchment, but there's some step-by-step ways that you can do it with white embossing powder on top of the vellum and then coloring it in, so you can see a lot of different looks that way. Here we have a circle that was die cut. That little hummingbird is hanging in the center behind this wreath that's on the front of the card. That's a nice look. Here is a, you can get the download, the template to make this card, so that's nice. There's our elephant in pinks and oranges, fun. The owl, there's the flowers in a very different color combination. And here we go. I thought this was striking, just doing the elephant in black and then just coloring a little bit of it. You can see the seahorses are kind of dancing around over there. And then this is doing faux acrylic pouring. If you've seen any YouTubes about pouring acrylic paint, this will give you sort of a look, but it's using it with ink and embossing powder, so might be a little more doable for us. And now here we've got some more of using, there's that owl, again, a very different look. Did you know you can use your stamps to go onto candles? Well, you stamp them onto vellum or parchment or something like that, and then you color them, and then you can put them on, glue them onto the candle. And it's fine because the candle will heat and just go down the center. It doesn't ever touch the paper. Here we have a box with the elephant on it. I think the elephant is my favorite. And speaking of the elephant, look how striking that is. So this is creating a background using the dye-based inks. So that's going to be either the Harmony or the Prism ink pads we carry. But isn't that striking on all of them? Just really, really nice. Lots of ideas, some beautiful papers, which is a treat. And look at all of these stamps. My goodness, what a deal it is. Creative Stamping is here with all the things inside, and I'm happy to tell you it's exclusively here at paperwishes.com.